है पता, हो रहा है जगा दोनों का रास्ता। दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। सांस है, रात है, मन परेशान है, रह रही सी क्यों आशा, ये मेरी जान है, क्यों ना रो पाना है। ये नाम, ये आसमान के सितारे हैं ना, रूप देखते हैं ना, पल कोई जाने वाला है, हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
And today we have gathered here to bid farewell to our beloved teachers Renuka ma'am and Sudesh ma'am, who has always taught us with love. Ma'am, all of you have been instrumental in shaping up our lives and making us better and responsible students. So here's a self-composed poem from our side to you. Guiding us through all the way, always giving confidence for the right things to say. Teaching with patience, kindness and care, help us find the right words to share. With time they grace themselves with grace, each word perfectly chosen in the perfect place. Their wisdom and guidance like a steady hand, leading us through the journey, helping us understand. They are the role models for us all, saving us from every stumble or fall. With guidance and love, they lead the way, inspiring us to be better every day. In your presence, we find strength and grace. Learning from you, we find our own pace. You believe in our dreams, both big and small, encouraging us to rise and stand tall. Your words of wisdom are like a guiding light, inspire me to reach for the highest height. You believed in my abilities even when I doubted, and pushed me to succeed without ever shouting. You were there to guide me and all of us through thick and thin. With patience and care, you helped me begin. You inspire and motivate with lessons so clear, guiding us towards success year after year. Nurturing our minds like a gentle breeze, helping us unlock our potential with ease. You are so compassionate, with love so true, a teacher who shines bright all that you do. You listen to our worries, our joys and our fears, offering comfort and support, wiping away our tears. You are more than a teacher, you were a friend.
शुक्रिया, 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी बदौलत, आपकी समर्पण को सदा। शुक्रिया, 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 शुक्रिया।
चुप न जाओ जी, मन दीद कराओ जी, अरे क्यों तरसावे हो, मन सकल दिखाओ जी, हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तोरी, हर चले उन बंगाली में कड़े, गुड़म जागी हो कमी, गंगा मतारी चांदनी मरता मर में माँ, ये किसी झुम 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 गंगा मतारी चांदनी मरता मर में माँ, ये किसी झुम 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 झुम
Are strong words, and some words can beautifully express emotion. Sahana of Great Age is going to express her feelings by reciting a poem.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, उपस्थित सभी अध्यापक एवं अध्यापिकाएं तथा मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज मैं सहाना रेणुका मैम एवं सुदेश मैम के विदाई समारोह के अवसर पर अपने कुछ विचार कविता के रूप में आप सभी के समक्ष प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। सत्य यह है कि शिक्षक की महानता को शब्दों में व्यक्त कर पाना असंभव होता है, परंतु फिर भी मैंने एक छोटा सा प्रयास किया है। आपके द्वारा लौटे गए बीज आज सरदार देश बन खड़े हैं। कोई इंजीनियर, कोई डॉक्टर, तो कोई शिक्षक बन चले हैं। कांच के समान थे हम, कांच के समान थे हम, जिन्हें हीरे से तराशा आपने। भेदभाव से परे रहकर सभी को अपनाया आपने। कभी अपने उद्गारों से, तो कभी कहानियों से लाइब्रेरी में हम सभी को शांति का पाठ पढ़ाया आपने। एक रेखा से ज्योमेट्री की अनेक आकृतियां सिखा दी आपने। नंबरों से खेल खेल में गुना भाग की पहेली सुलझा दी आपने। नंबरों से खेल खेल में गुना भाग की पहेली सुलझा दी आपने। अपने ज्ञान के प्रकाश से सभी को रोशन किया आपने। जीवन में सफलता पाने का सही रास्ता दिखाया आपने। आप जैसे सरल में नहीं दिखता, आप जैसे आपको अलविदा आज कैसे करें। आप जैसे रतन नहीं दिखता, जो हरीफ को ये बनाया भवन, जो हरीफ को ये बनाया भवन। सारी सुविधा जुटाई बिना कटु वचन, प्रेम स्नेह के सिर सुबह आपके समर्पण को शत शत नमन, आपके समर्पण को शत शत नमन। रात से भर गई अश्रु भीगे नयन, आप स्वस्थ और निरोगी रहे उम्र भर। आपके नेतृत्व को मेरा शत शत नमन, आपके नेतृत्व को मेरा शत शत नमन। आपके साथ जो बीता सुंदर समय या घर पर रहेगा आज देते वचन, आज देते वचन। धन्यवाद।
I now request Seema Govinda ma'am to speak few lines in honor of Renuka ma'am.
Good morning to one and all present here. Good morning everyone. Today marks a bittersweet moment as we bid farewell to one of our own from Mathematics Department, Renuka ma'am, and Guardian of Knowledge, Sudesh ma'am, who are retiring after almost 30 years of dedicated service. Renuka ma'am has been the epitome of patience and dedication within our department. Her tireless efforts in ensuring that every student understands mathematical concepts have set a high standard for all of us. Whether it was spending extra time with struggling students or brainstorming innovative ideas, building math formulae, she has always went above and beyond to make sure no student was left behind. Ma'am, as you transition into this new phase of your life, your presence will be greatly missed. your dedication, patience, and expertise have set a standard of excellence that will strive to uphold in your absence. May your retirement be filled with relaxation, joy, and all the happiness you richly deserve. Sudesh ma'am has been a guiding light for all who sought wisdom within library walls. Library would not be same without you. Her unwavering commitment to fostering a love for reading and learning has touched the lives of students as well as teachers. Whether recommending the perfect book that may be of interest to them, organizing book week to promote reading, or having book reviews during the library class, she has always gone above and beyond to make our library a welcoming sanctuary for all. Celebration of Vasant Panchami and worshipping the goddess of knowledge, Maha Saraswati in library, and ensuring that each one of us gets prasad after praying to Maha. Your warmth will be dearly missed, ma'am. But your legacy will continue to inspire us for years to come. As you embark on this new journey, know that you take with you the gratitude and appreciation of all who have had the pleasure of working alongside you. May your future be filled with joy, fulfillment, and endless adventures. Best wishes to both of you for your new journey ahead. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you children. Before ma'am takes over, I would like to say a few words. My association with Renuka ma'am and Sudesh ma'am dates back to the year 1994. Okay, we all joined in 1994. अगर आप Google सर्च करेंगे तो ये वाला साल कहीं आता ही नहीं, है ना? जब आप Google सर्च करते हैं तो 2000 वाले years आते हैं. हम कितने पुराने हैं स्कूल. So we work together, share our joys, share our sorrows together. And we've seen the school. The school was only till class 5 when we joined. Only till class 5, and now it is a full-grown school. Yes? Ma'am, Renuka ma'am, just wish that all your sorrows be subtracted and all your joys be multiplied. Yes? And Sudesh ma'am, thank you for instilling the love for books in all the children. May you prosper now in terms of health. Wealth comes automatically, but in terms of health. God bless you all. Miss you.
Good morning, children, my dear teachers, and my special guest for the day, Renuka ma'am and Sudesh ma'am. When somebody leaves the organization after wholeheartedly giving their best to that organization, the persons who are left behind, they are at loss of words. Isn't it? We don't find words to describe the selfless service they have given to that institution, and same I can say for both of you. Renuka ma'am, I would like to just say something. Till the time food is flavorful, we never complain. But the moment that flavor goes away from the food, we realize that flavor is missing. You are like that flavor, ma'am. So what happened, ma'am? The moment you will be gone, we'll realize, yes, you were such an important part of this school, who really gave the base to our children, who taught them to, when we say, divide your sorrows and multiply your joys, you taught them that also. You were not only teaching maths, you were teaching them the pluses and minuses of the life itself. And I expect you give your blessings to my children first, and definitely leave us with your best wishes, because we wish you the ultimate happiness after this venture, that is venture of 30 years in this school. And Sudesh ma'am, I still remember going to your library, borrowing the maximum books, if you remember, when I joined 25 years to my journey now in this school, of course lesser than yours. So when I came as a teacher here, I always had a endless love for books. Till date I have, but I don't get so much of time now. I used to borrow maximum books. मैम मुझे end of year कहती थी रूबी मैम प्लीज इतनी सारी किताबें आपके नाम पे वापस कर दो. So because I could not borrow more than that, so I kept on. And I still remember the Harry Potter series. All children were borrowing it, but I was also as fascinated by that. So ma'am, please de do. Then I ultimately started buying it because there were children who loved the books. I hope children you love books as we used to love, and the previous students were there, because I know everything is available on your net. You can read and all. We did not have such facilities. Suresh ma'am, genuinely we will miss. I have always seen you first forming the lives of children, telling them how to behave when you enter a library. That is the beautiful part of being a librarian who knows, who teaches children before making them or getting them into habit of reading, how to present yourself, how to sit there, isn't it children? We at times feel ma'am was strict, but I believe this was the loveliest part of her persona, that she realized that yes, the moment children will calm themselves, settle down, they will get engrossed in something fruitful. Don't you think though? Yes, Saraswati Puja, the essential part, your book reviews, the lovely book jackets made by children, write-ups there, and even organizing the book fairs kind on the PTNs and all, and thinking for the school every time. So both of you ma'am, I cannot thank you enough for giving us this wonderful journey of 30 years, and I wish you both a beautiful journey of love and affection with your loved ones. Take care of your health and do come to school so that our school feels blessed that you people are born but your blessings happening on us. Thank you everyone.
Celebration will be incomplete. It is like great man and bring a man on stage to address everyone.
बहुत सारा प्यार, बहुत सारा आशीर्वाद और बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर थैंक यू.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. It's a nostalgic moment. I'm really using no words to, because thank you for honoring so much, for your gratitude, all of you. Today is in fact a special day for all of us. Two teachers of this school, myself and Rekha ma'am is going to super admit. So I take this opportunity and gratitude to thank you all for being in my journey of 30 years. Each one of you have an important role to play in my life. The grace, everything what you said is due to this, that because you are with me all the time. You support me and always there, listen to me. So it was a wonderful journey and it has an impact on my life. All my students, my teachers, my principal, you have an impact on my life because it's a long journey of 3 decades, 30 years in this school. So each one of you has a lasting impression in my life. And students, this is a part of life. When you join an institution, you have to leave the institution. It's a part of life. So with grace, I'll be leaving this, I'll be retiring Susanji and entering in a new phase of life. And this is life. You have to move ahead. This is life. You begin to a point and then you end in life. So students, thank you so much for standing with me all the time and making the library encouraging, impressive, because you all students and all the staff work together. We work together as a team. Each one of you participated, whether it was book week celebrations, Saraswati Puja, your write-up, your poems, your illustrations, anything. So all of you have the contribution towards the library, managing the library, in the library management part, activity also. Each one of you have the contribution. So my sincere thanks to my principal, my teachers and all my students. I will just conclude with a short poem. I have so little to give you of gold and silver. I have so little to give you in form of gold and silver, but I can give you my love, my joy for you all. I'll be there for greetings of smiles of greeting when we meet, tears to comfort you when you are in sorrow. My love today, my love tomorrow, my love forever. And God bless you all, and my all wishes for DPK. Blessings to all of you, to the entire BPK staff and the students. Thank you everyone. Before I leave, I want to thank all the staff members for putting up the show and all the students for putting up a wonderful show. So thank you once again.
May you continue to inspire, to educate, and to make a difference wherever you go. Thank you.
तो से थैंक यू जितना भी आपने हमारे लिए किया उसको थैंक करने के मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है and you were the one who motivated me to get into the technical stuff coding during the online classes. You were the one who motivated me to read books and gain knowledge. You gave us the knowledge of life, the knowledge of you motivated us to face our problems fearlessly. And thank you for everything, ma'am. We wish you great life ahead. And thank you for everything. Now the new library in charge would like to say something.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm myself Yaman Kumar Boya. I've never been on stage before. I am stage fright. I would like to speak in Hindi. Ma'am, ये स्कूल में जब मैं आया तो कुछ नहीं पता था, लेकिन जब ऐसे टीचर से मिला तो आई फील ब्लेस्ड। मैं स्कूल में हूँ, जहाँ पर हूँ, आप लोगों के बीच में हूँ और आज आप लोग कारण की मैं अगर बाकी के बाद मैं वापस आता हूँ तो मैं स्कूल में जरूर आऊँगा।